Hey guys, it's Mr. Mini Painter here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing this Marvel Crisis Protocol miniature games character pack, Elsa Bloodstone and Man-Thing. I was intrigued mainly by the huge Man-Thing character and was very curious as to how this is going to play out in the game as well. So let's open this up together and find out what's inside. Now, I've been collecting and painting and playing Marvel Crisis Protocol for I think about 2 years now, and I really love these miniatures. They are a bit larger than regular miniature games, for example like the Games Workshop's or Middle-earth strategy battle game miniatures I'm painting. So these might appear a bit easier, but when painting larger models it's sometimes more difficult because you need to add more detail than smaller models. So it's not necessarily easier, but the canvas is bigger. So yeah, in that case, that's a bit easier. So as always, there are multilingual cards in here. These are the English ones. And the artwork is great as always. As a Marvel enthusiast, I really enjoy the pictures, the characters themselves, of course, but the art is very well done. Okay, so here we have the cards, the Elsa Bloodstone character card and the Man-Thing. These are going to be a great addition to the game. There are some tokens in there as well. And of course the miniatures. Let's check them out. Way too many bases as always. Alright, so it's 2 sprues. It seems like there is 1.5 for Man-Thing and just a half sprue for Elsa Bloodstone. I love it that they have their own base, so to say. This was cleverly done while packing to protect it from damage. And these are the finished miniatures, prepped for painting. This is a massive unit here, Man-Thing, and I can't wait to start painting this guy. But of course we also have Elsa Bloodstone holding her guns, large coat, large boots, a lot of hair. This is gonna be a joy to paint. So thank you so much for watching this short video. I hope to see you in one of my next ones, and please consider following me on my channel if you're interested in these kind of videos. See you in the next one. Bye bye.